everyone, I'm Dan from Twisted Pine Woodworking, and today I'm going to show you how to fix white marks if you use lacquer over top of wet wood, or if your stain is still a little too wet when you use it. I had this happen. I thought everything was dry. It's just very humid right now in the winter with all the rain that we have, and as you can see, it got very wet. It is completely dry now, but it obviously looks like there's a whitewash on it. You don't want that, obviously. You want it to be perfectly stained without any blemishes like this. But I found an easy way to fix this is actually just with a heat gun. All you have to do is just quickly go over it. You don't want to use it too hard and too long, too hot and too long, or else you'll actually bubble the lacquer and it'll start to peel away. So now I'll show you just how to quickly go over it. Another option you can try if you don't have a heat gun is just a hair dryer. It will take like 4 times as long, but it will still work. I'll show you how the difference is here. And that's how you can get rid of the white moisture underneath your lacquer. Hopefully that helps you, and thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you click the subscribe button to get notified of new builds and time lapses. Click the bottom left to check out the previous video. Click the bottom right to check out another video. Click on the social links in the description to check out some of our other builds and photos, and make sure to follow them as we do giveaways from time to time.